How to fix Safari cannot open page error on your iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you want to make sure your internet is working. You can turn off your Wi-Fi and back on, or switch to mobile data. If the page still won't load, move on to the next fix. So after that, you can simply reload or try again. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. So you can simply tap on the reload button or close the app completely and reopen Safari again. Now open up Settings. Inside your scroll down, tap on Apps. In the search bar, you can simply search for Safari. Once you search for it, tap onto it. Scroll below, here you will be able to find an option that says Clear History and Website Data. Now simply tap on Clear History. This can fix loading issues instantly. After that, you want to make sure the website link is correct. Look for typos and try opening a different website to test. If nothing works, inside Settings, you want to go ahead and simply look for the option that says General. Scroll below, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Inside here, tap on Reset. Then select Reset Network Settings. This will refresh all of your connection. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.